climb inside the 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.